live in front of the room.
Blacker than black. We're back again, you see me? Yeah, man. Long time, but you know, just been busy. Just I live life and I do what I do. You see what I say? We have a whole heap of things to deal with. But here what I say, I talk about this IShowSpeed thing and Jamaica and you know what I say? I say him come there and broke all type of rule and law and all them things there in one bag of something. And to me, yeah, I understand the law and the regular Jamaican that get penalized by that. You know what I say? And the government roll out the red carpet for him and where. But to be honest with you, not just the government, everybody. Everybody, cause all people will not even know him. All people will not even know him. Everybody I run out. I try to figure out who this brother is. You see me? Yeah, most people are trying to figure out who the hell is this dude? Who this brother is. See? Man like all footer hype and them man. Them man they, to me, them man they just chat too much brother and they look at all idiot mindset. See? And then I have another thought on that, even with all Popcaan them. We love talk about why for everything and you know, black flip and all them stupidness there, brother. Yeah, that shit funny. It is funny. I think they're funny, but first of all, me think say you burn off them man there. You see me? Yeah, me think say them do that. So when you there, I chat to him and I tell him about don't long out tongue. You already know say Popcaan already know say them man there go sit down in a man lap and all them thing there and do all kind of thing. So when you are in an argument and chatting with him for that, you see how the whole of them down there licky brother. You see me and Beanie man him run go drive man in a car. You see me? Saying brother, me don't know. Nothing wrong with it, nothing wrong with it, you know. You see me? Nothing ain't wrong, ain't nothing wrong with it, bro. You see me? But it's just the way how them people are, just for show you how hypocritical them people are in a Jamaica is and how them stay, brother. As long as them can benefit from it. Just like how them not like the fish them, you see me? They only like the fish them when them rich. You see me? The fish them when they're rich, you can't, you know what I mean? Yeah, them no want to see them man there. But if the fish them when I have the money. Sorry, they are focused on the road and I mess up what I say. Yeah, the fish them when I have the money, the broke fish them. Yeah man. You want to see them man and this them man and deal with them wicked man. You see me? Chat off your mouth, brother. But the one them rich, yeah man, come on man. You know, welcome to the country. See? Yeah. You see me? To me, brother, a man do whatever I want to do. You see it? Yeah man, them do what them want to do. Me not agree with it. Me and them are a friend. But me I tell you say, me not go there every day I get up and talk about my bun this and bun that. Like all footer hype and them man. Them man is an idiot, brother. You don't realize that them man it's like them man there, brother. Me know say them man they go fast food restaurant. Him there America. Me know say him go fast food restaurant. Me know say him go a restaurant go eat. Enough time all the chef in the back and them man there fish, brother. You can't go around it, brother. Him there now, him there in the music business. And him saying, and you go and like, you talk about man a fish and who are this and one bag of, brother, stop going like you're a fool, bro. You see me? Yeah, man, straight up, man. So, my thing is, brother, Jamaica, big old hypocritical place, brother. Big hypocrite, brother. Yeah, man, Jamaica, big old hypocritical place, dog, where, you know, we just look on it like, you know, I don't know, brother. But, like me say, We just have to understand and know what go on. My thing is, the man travel all over the world. See? And go do what him do. Everybody are come. You see all police broke all them foot. Just to show you how them just all them. You know what I'm telling them licky, you know. Shensia and the whole of them, Shensia the dog. But nothing wrong with she do what she do. Put my phone on charge. Nothing wrong with what she do, neither. But see, you know who me really have a problem with? Popcaan. See, me not have no issue with him per se, like say boy me hate him, but me just not love them. Cause them youth that we burn out some local man, brother. See, if you do some local simple thing, bro. See, and you did it, you make it your point of duty to come out, see, and come and have conversation with man. Look for all the scene with Popcaan and the other youth kind of look like IShowSpeed. The two of the man them, they open them face, they open each other face and spit up on each other and all them things and one bag of sitting and, you know. Oh, no, no, say burn off that. Me not understand. Yeah, man. Yeah, so, here I go on. Here me I tell the youth them. Just do what you want to, brother. You see me? Straight up, dog. Just do what you want to. Don't listen to them artists, ya brother. You see me? Don't listen to them blood clot artists, ya dog. You understand what I say? Trust me. Don't listen to none of them. Because see them man don't follow nothing what them say. Them are do. Look for all the youngster. Yo. You just I talk about top. See video with him and IShowSpeed, them a dance and whatever. So you know, so you are telling me, say, you know, nobody around you, nobody. I'm pretty sure it's a team you have. You telling me nobody around and nothing until I say, yo. And telling nothing who the hell this brother is, why this excitement theme. See? Rasta off a blood clot, licky and jumpy. You never know. Saying, brother, be a facade them deal with in a Jamaica, brother. Saying, but you know what I say? Like, share, subscribe, blacker than black. Yo, I start drop some more content and them things so you don't know a thing go. Black!